Guys, if you received a message from YouTube telling you that your channel has been removed permanently from YouTube, do not panic. Okay, yes, do not panic, because in this tutorial video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can recover your channel back. Okay, but before we dive straight into the video, there's some things I want you to understand, that YouTube is actually deleting channels. YouTube is removing channels from the YouTube space permanently. So if you don't want this to affect you, all you need to do is for you to go ahead and read their community guidelines. Go and read YouTube community guidelines, okay? Make sure that you don't fail any of their policy, okay? YouTube is becoming strict with their policy, okay? So go ahead, read their community guideline and abide to all their rules and regulations, so that your channel will not be removed or deleted from the YouTube space. Okay, so let's just dive straight into the tutorial video. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you everything step by step on how you can recover back your channel. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. But before we go straight into the video, if you have watched to this point, please go ahead, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up as we dive straight into the video.
First thing first, you must make sure you have checked your channel and there's no trace of any violation. Okay, so after you do that, you can now appeal. This was the message I actually got from YouTube telling me that I violate their spam detective practice and scam policy. Okay, that if I think that they have done the wrong thing, that I should appeal this decision. Okay, so on that note, I am going to appeal. Okay, so all you need to do is just to come to your Google. Okay, once you come to your Google, the next thing you need to do is just to come to your search bar and type YouTube recovery, YouTube channel recovery form. Okay, so just come and type YouTube channel recovery form. Once you type it, so the next thing you can see here, they say channel or account terminations. Just come here and click on it. Okay, so now you go downwards, okay. If you are using a computer, okay, this is how to appeal using a computer. Okay, appeal on a computer, you follow this process. Okay, so but here I'm going to click this place. Say note, if you can't submit an appeal using the steps above, appeal using this form. So I'm going to click on appeal using this form because I'm not using a computer, I'm using a phone. Okay, so I will click on appeal using this form. I'll click on it. Okay, it will take me to this place. Okay, so once it brings me to this place, the next thing you need to put is your full name. Okay, put your full name. Okay, once you put your full name, over here you see email address, the email address you use in registering that YouTube channel. Okay, just go ahead and input the email address you use in registering the YouTube channel. Then after that, you can see here they say email address we can use to contact you. You can go ahead, if you know the email address they can use to contact you, go ahead and put it, or you still put the same email address you use in creating that YouTube channel that was deleted from YouTube. Do you get? So next thing here they say channel URL. So you can go here and input the URL of your YouTube channel that was deleted. Just come here, input the URL. Okay, so then the next thing is to come here. Okay, then you type in the appeal. Okay, so just come here, type in dear YouTube team, my channel, put the name of your channel or the URL was recently deleted, and I believe this may have been a mistake. I always try to follow YouTube's guideline and I give my all in creating meaningful videos. I would appreciate it if you could review the decision, and if there is any way you think I failed the guidelines, please, it wasn't intentional, because I try my best to make sure I follow all YouTube policy. Please help me resolve this issue. Okay, so once you do this, you click on submit and that is it. So once you click on submit, give it time, the YouTube team will reply you. Okay, so you can see this was the message I got after a successful appeal. They said we have reviewed your appeal for the following channel, Nonye Tutor Zone. After taking another look, we can confirm that your channel does not violate our community guidelines. So you can see, you can read for yourself. So at this point, that is it, and your channel will be restored.
At this point, we have come to the end of our tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to see you guys in my next video, but before then, if you are yet to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay, give this video a thumbs up,
Share this video.
so it will get to more people, and also drop something in the comment section. Okay, go ahead and comment, say something nice in the comment section. It will give me the morale to actually create more videos like this. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys. Bye.